How to fix software update failed error occurred downloading iOS 16 or 17. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. The very first thing you can do is restart your phone. For that, head towards settings. Go to the option general. Scroll all the way down. You can see this option of shutdown. Tap on it. Now you can slide this icon to the right and then your phone will be turned off. After you turn off your phone, again turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, go back to the main page of settings. Again head towards the option of general. Now go to this option date and time. Make sure you have toggle off for this option of set automatically. Now here you will get this option of time zone. You can just tap on it and from here you can search for your time zone and set it. Likewise, you can set your correct date and time. After you do that, you can go back. Now heading towards the next solution, head towards this option of iPhone storage, open it. Now scroll down. Over here you will find the iOS update, just open it and tap on this option of delete update. Tap on delete update again. Now go back. Head towards this option of software update. Now over here you will find this option of download and install. You can just tap on it and begin the download process from the beginning. With that you will be good to go. So this is how you can fix software update fail error occur downloading iOS 16 or 17. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.